friends, this is Manish Raj, and today I am going to talk about the superstar Rajnikant. As you all aware of the fact that the superstar Rajnikant latest movie Kavli has become a popular. So, as a great fan of the Rajnikant, I would like to talk something interesting facts about the movie. As you all know that the Kabali is super hit before its release, so I will like to talk about the most interesting facts. First is that Kabali is written and directed by P.A. Ranjit. The films, as you all know, stars Rajinikanth as a title character. Along with it, Taiwanese actor Winston Chow, Radhika Apte, Daniska, Dinesh Ravi in other pivotal roles. Many you don't know that Rajnikant for Rajnikant, Kabali is 159th film, and he will be playing the character of Don second time. Rajnikant's previous avatar as a Don was in Basha, in which he portrayed a stylish Mumbai-based Don. The story of Kabali is about a 55-year-old Don who has lost 25 years of his life, and now he regains whatever he had lost in those 25 years. The teacher shows Rajnikant walking out through a corridor with a group of prisoners in the background. This indicates that he has been in jail for 25 years, according to film analysts. You all know aware of the fact that Kabali will be the first Indian movie to be released in Malay. It will also released in Telugu, Tamil, and Hindi, and also in Japanese, and get a Chinese release in a couple of months. So you can see that his movie is also releasing in Japan. So it's a great privilege for us that Indian film industry or South Indian film industry is moving out of India. To avoid people from learning the story of the film, the scenes were shuffled and sent for the dubbing process. According to Ranjit's, the director of the film, Rajnikant shot for 75 days with his white beard, which will stand as the biggest highlight of the film. You also do not aware of the fact that this film was initially edited to about 3 hours, which was later trimmed to 2.5 minutes. The intro scene for superstar Rajnikant to be more than 1.5 minutes in slow motion. This is it to be anticipating the lengthy cheers that the superstar is expected to get in the theater. As we all know that as a superstar superstar Rajnikant has so many dedicated fans all over India. For this purpose, the introduction scene was about half a minute, 1.5 minutes. You also do not know that the car drift shown in the teaser of the film was performed himself without any dupe. The whole team, including the stunt choreographer, were stunned by the superstar driving skill. So, as a great fan of Rajinikanth, I share my view, and I hope that you all like these interesting facts about Rajinikanth, and I wish that this movie become a blockbuster all across India as well as abroad, especially in Japan where film is releasing, and also in China. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.